Hello YouTube, my name is Tim and I'm with the Offgrid YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Heritage Rough Rider 22 caliber pistol, and we are going to be test firing it today at a target, and basically going over and looking this gun over. So stay tuned, and we're going to be right to that. Alright guys, so we're over here on the workbench and we have the Heritage Manufacturing Incorporated Rough Rider revolver. So when we first open up the box, we're going to find that we have the paperwork, a warranty card. I believe this is. Nope, this is the NRA members. So you find one of these in pretty much every gun box. We're going to have our instruction manual, which I've already read through. I do not have that holster. I would like to get that one day. Yeah, just basic service manual stuff. Carrying firearms, pistols, and revolvers, safety. All the instructions. There's the specs. I believe y'all can see that just fine. See if I can. There we go. Yeah, y'all can see that. Alright. I might need to call about that. I wouldn't mind having a WMR cylinder for it. Alright. And per the usual, it comes with your child safety lock. Very important. Make sure that if you have children in your house, that your guns are secured away from them. Not saying all children are going to automatically run for your guns, but it's just good practice. Alright, so on first pull out, we can see it does have a safety. So that right there is your safety. When engaged, it flips a little block down, allows the hammer to make full contact. Got a little red dot there to indicate the safety's off, safety's on. Let's break it down into its components. There's the cylinder pin. There we go. It goes out the other way. So I got to open this up and it slides out. Okay. There's the 22 caliber cylinder. So this is a single action revolver. You just can't pull the trigger and get it to shoot. You have to pull the hammer back every time. There's your unload rod right there that pushes out your spent casings. And so far it looks to be a very well built firearm. I'm not seeing any major concerns right off the bat with it, but we'll know once we get outside and get to the test firing. See if we can't get it back together. Come on now, slide in there. Normally I'll just slide in. I don't know why it's not. There it goes. There it goes. Ah, there we go. Make sure my safety's on, and the safety is on. All right, and there you have it. everybody, we are outside. Behind me I have my target set up here, and we are shooting at a distance probably, I don't know, less than 30-40 feet. It's a 22 caliber pistol. I'm not getting too carried away with it today, but I figured I would just do a little bit of recording of us doing some target practicing with it. So to load the 22 caliber pistol, let's see here, let's get our camera set up here. You basically, all you do is flip this to the side, pull your hammer back half cocked, and then make sure your cylinder can turn freely, and you load each round in individually. Just like that right there. And it holds 6 rounds, 6 shots. And there you go. It is completely loaded. Safety is on. Hammer back down. And I have a little pocket holster here. I'm going to keep it in until I get everything ready to go. Now, when shooting firearms, it's kind of important to make sure that your backdrop is safe. I will not be wearing any kind of eye or ear protection. It is a 22 caliber pistol. I'm shooting at a wood target. I'm not 100% worried. I'm 100% not worried about ricochet, and I have a dirt backdrop behind my target, a solid dirt backdrop. So I'm 100% fine with it being the way it is. I'm not worried about wearing any safety glasses or hearing protection. My ears are not going to ring from a 22 caliber pistol. I'm not going to be shooting it crazy, so we should be all right. So for all the critics out there, it's going to be like, oh, you need this and need that. I've been shooting guns for a very long time, and I've had no accidents and no incidents, and I've never shot myself in the foot. So, and there are some people out there who call themselves qualified professionals that have shot themselves in the foot. So, fingers crossed, that doesn't happen to me today. And let's get to it. I'm going to adjust the camera up, and we're going to get a view of the target and me shooting at it. All right, so we got the target set up here, and we're going to take a few shots of the target. So, there we go. Had a little bit of a stuck casing there. All right. And that right there concludes the shooting part of this video. And so far, I'm very impressed with the Rough Rider Heritage 22 pistol. Few things I've noticed so far, like the grip is a little wiggly, but nothing you can't fix with the set screw here, tightening up the screw. It's pretty accurate. I haven't really noticed any offsets. I've hit the target pretty much wherever I've aimed at the target. You know, I've got 9s, 8s, 7s, and one bullseye and one clear headshot, which is what I was aiming for. So for accuracy at a close range, I would say the Heritage 22 pistol is decent at that. I do not have the facilities to do a long range shoot right this second. So 50 feet to 25 feet is as close as I have to shooting. I had one casing that was a little stuck in there, but for it being a 22, that's expected. It's just a little 22 long rifle pistol. Other than that, it is a neat little gun, inexpensive, easy to shoot, and I would consider this to be a great training weapon for children. You can put one shot in it at a time. You can teach them their trigger discipline, their trigger safety, and it also is not a double star, so they can't keep squeezing the trigger over and over. They have to pull the hammer back every time, which makes their shots meticulous and focused. Would 100% recommend this gun. It is just an all-around fun gun to shoot. Hey there, ladies and gentlemen, YouTube. We're back inside the ham shack here, sitting in the captain's chair. We just came back in from shooting the Heritage Rough Rider 22 caliber pistol. This one right here. Now, this happens to be a very neat little gun. I enjoy it a lot. I enjoyed shooting it, and I enjoyed recording shooting it to show you. The ammunition is inexpensive for it. It shoots a little teeny tiny 22 caliber bullet. This one right here, and it is just a fun thing to shoot. Not very expensive. You can basically shoot for pennies on the dollar all day long. Now the Heritage Rough Rider 22 caliber pistol is just a nice all-around lightweight revolver. Shooting an inexpensive cartridge. It's good for hunting. You can take it snake gun, you know, you can put your rat shot in it, your 22 rat shot in it, and I would 100% recommend this firearm to beginners or anyone wanting to use it as an educational tool for your children. I have children, and I use this one to show my kids how to shoot, target practice, weapon safety. It is a single action. It is not double star, so you have to pull the hammer back every time, and that creates a meticulous training mental storage kind of thing. You know, every time they want to shoot, they have to follow a process. They got to pull the hammer back, do your trigger discipline, pull the trigger, gun goes off, and it's not going to accidentally go off again. You know, they can't keep pulling the trigger. So 100% amazing. And I want to thank y'all for watching my video and watching it all the way to the end. That is the important part. And if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. It is very important to me. I enjoy seeing my subscriber count go up. I'm up to 22. And I just want to say thank you to the 22 subscribers that subscribe to my channel. I'm hoping one day to monetize this channel. Yes, money. It's all about money. But, you know, I got to have some of that to sit here and make more of these videos. The more I have, the less time I have to spend at an actual physical job. Don't mind working, but still, it would be great to do more of what I love and less of what I don't. Like I said, like and subscribe, follow, and click that little bell icon so you get notified when I post a video. The videos are going to get better and better. I'm learning, and it's an amazing thing. You can check out some of my other ones. You can kind of see and track my progress. But thank you, thank you for subscribing, and thank you for watching my video all the way to the end. It means a lot to me. I take time out of my day to make these for y'all, and it is just one of those things that I enjoy doing, and I get more enjoyment out of it when y'all enjoy it. So like, comment, subscribe. Again, I can't put emphasis on it enough. Let's build this channel up, make it into more than what it is, and I can't do that without you. So, The Ugly Off-Grid, don't forget it. Tell your friends about it. My name's Tim, and I'll catch you on the flip side. Ouch.